In this video, I will show you how to get the best TubeBuddy promo code. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. There I am on the official website of TubeBuddy.com. This extension allows you to improve the management and development of your YouTube channel. The first step to getting a discount on TubeBuddy, it is to go through my link under the video. You will find it either in the description or in the first pinned comment. This is a pre-activated link that will allow you to activate its bonuses. So you will be automatically redirected to the TubeBuddy website. You will be able to select the subscription you want. Use at the beginning, yes, per month or per year. So I recommend the Legend subscription because there are really all the features improved with AI that can help you develop your YouTube channel as best as possible. Then you just have to click on Select. You will then just have to connect with your Gmail account, and finally you will come to the payment page, and there you will be able to enter my exclusive promo code. It's gummy, like this, who will allow you to have a discount on the price, as you can see, and to know that it is a lifetime discount, which will therefore allow you to save a lot on your TubeBuddy subscription. Then you just have to fill in your payment information and then confirm the payment, and automatically you will unlock all the features of TubeBuddy. It was gummy, ciao.